He's a multi-millionaire, dude.
He drives.
I think he drives. Shaq has too much fun to be.
That's
true.
He's a man of the people.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I was watching a video the other day. 50 Cent says he's like, I don't drive. 50 Cent doesn't drive. Shaq is like, I want to go out and drive. I want to go do this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to drive to Walmart right now and buy the store for everybody.
You're not just like a sheriff.
Yeah.
Fucking
Legit
sheriff.
sheriffs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Imagine getting pulled over by Shaq. That'd be fucking badass.
You were speeding.
Yep.
You're going too fast. Why are you speeding?
Hey, well, I'm here. I can't do the voice.
It's like Kane
You know
being
Fleece
a fucking...
I want that booty hole.
You do that too well.
Shaq voice.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. Big man.
I've been like 8 or 9 months without masturbating.
Backed
My
up.
balls is heavy. And when I unload this load, oh God.
Charlie, you getting a little plump.
I'm
watching
not,
this video.
this is fucking hilarious, dude.
He's getting a little filled up and shit. He's like, yo, what video is this? Send it to me.